snow. Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. It helps me out so much. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for subscribing, watching my videos. I wasn't going to film today because my throat was like sore. I was just having one of those days, been in a hoodie all day. I took a Benadryl earlier, so I've been drowsy all day and I'm so tired. But I started VLOGMAS and I want to put up a video today, so it's already 5 o'clock and here I am for you guys. I thought that I could organize this bad boy today because this month and going into the new year, I really want to go through my items and get rid of a lot of stuff. I just really want to minimize the things that I have in my space and really kind of curate a better selection of the things I consume, the things I have. So I'm starting with the bathroom. I have a lot of skincare, I have a lot of products, and I want to consolidate. We already have about 2 boxes of things that we have one that we're going to bring to a local animal shelter, and then another one that we're donating, like clothing and things wise. So I'm trying to go through everything, make everything just a little bit less, you know. When I feel cluttered in my space, I feel cluttered in my mind, just how I am. So I really want to clean it up, you know, Marie Kondo my life. I want to go into 2021 leaving all the crap that I don't love behind, especially if it's something that maybe someone else would appreciate much more. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna start with the bathroom. I'm gonna clean my stuff out. I literally did this maybe 4 months ago. I think I did a video on, I think it was my first video actually, on organizing my small bathroom, and it's already a mess. Okay, I'm starting under the sink. I've honestly done a good job of keeping this pretty clean. I just need to kind of organize it because it gets crazy quickly, and every time I go away I put my stuff in these travel bags, like this one and this one and this one, and then I never put it all away. So I end up just kind of bringing this around with me, and I'd rather just have it in a drawer. So here's the before. Not terrible, but like there shouldn't be things in front, and I want to like clean up that a little bit. But this is what I really need to go through because I have like products behind products. Everything always falls. It's such a mess. I have not allowed myself to buy or receive any more skincare until I go through some of it. So I had just this drawer of face, and then this is hair, and I finally have some room. So I'm gonna move some of the things that I have in my medicine cabinet that I don't use every day into this little drawer. Like I have 2 rose hip oils taking up prime real estate right here. Like, come on. Do better, Aubrey. Okay, so here is what I did. Going from like tallest to smallest, I did whites, so there's like a little bit of everything. Clear, red, pinks, yellow, orange, green, and then blue and purple and black. And then this is my little, like, I have a gua sha in here, my contacts. This is what I use to put my hair back. Ew. The real issue is with the makeup, because right now I have it kind of all over the place. I have it in like this huge bag in the closet that I'm not even going to touch because it's all brand new stuff. that I haven't used yet. And then this is like what I was using currently. This is all lipstick. They're all lips. And then this is like a mess. So I need to go over this. Like this Dior mascara was my favorite, the Dior Addict. It's been like a few months, so I think it's all dried out. That's pretty dried out, so she's gotta go. Bam, look at that. With room to spare. Hello. Now I'm going to wrap, but I can't show you what it is because Dan watches these videos. I'm gonna use this wrapping paper. How cute is this? Dan? What? Don't come in here. Don't come in there? Yeah. And then I got these from HomeGoods. So cute. Alright, my Christmas pajamas. I think these were from last year. Every year my sister and my mom and me all get matching pajamas on Christmas Eve and we wear them. It's like my favorite Christmas tradition. I love pajamas. So this one, I think this one was from last year. It says Jolly Good Times. Some little shorts. And I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.